The story of American food cannot be told without the millions of immigrants who crossed the Atlantic from Europe. Long before modern restaurants and supermarkets existed, newcomers brought with them recipes, cooking techniques, and food traditions that would permanently reshape the American table. During the colonial era, immigrants from England, Scotland, Ireland, Germany, France, and the Netherlands arrived carrying seeds, livestock, knowledge, and centuries-old culinary customs. These early settlers adapted their traditional foods to the ingredients available in North America, creating a unique blend of Old World and New World flavors. English immigrants introduced hearty meat pies, puddings, roasted meats, and baked breads that became staples in many colonies. Their influence can still be seen today in American comfort foods such as pot roast, shepherd-style pies, and holiday puddings. Meanwhile, Dutch settlers in New York contributed waffles, cookies, and coleslaw. The very word cookie comes from the Dutch word koekje, meaning little cake. Their baking traditions helped shape the growing culture of American desserts. German immigrants, who began arriving in significant numbers during the 1700s, had an especially powerful impact. They brought sausages, pretzels, sauerkraut, and techniques for brewing beer. Communities in Pennsylvania became famous for preserving German culinary traditions. The Pennsylvania Dutch, despite the name, were largely German immigrants whose recipes included scrapple, shoe-fly pie, and numerous pickled foods. These dishes reflected a practical approach to cooking, ensuring little food was wasted. Irish immigrants arrived in large numbers during the 1800s, particularly during the Great Famine. Potatoes were central to their cuisine, but in America, they adapted traditional recipes using available ingredients. Corned beef and cabbage, often considered an Irish-American classic, emerged largely in immigrant communities where beef was more affordable than it had been in Ireland. The dish became a symbol of Irish identity in the United States. French immigrants also left a lasting mark. In Louisiana, French culinary traditions mixed with local ingredients and influences from Africa, Spain, and the Caribbean. This blending gave rise to distinctive dishes such as gumbo, tuffy, and jambalaya. Though these foods evolved beyond their European roots, French cooking techniques remained at their core. As immigrant communities established neighborhoods and markets, food became a way to preserve cultural identity while adapting to a new homeland. Recipes passed from generation to generation carried memories of distant villages and family traditions. Over time, these foods spread beyond ethnic communities and became part of mainstream American culture. The foundation of American cuisine was being built, not through a single tradition, but through the combined culinary heritage of countless European immigrants who transformed their old recipes into something uniquely American. By the mid-1800s, America experienced one of the largest waves of European immigration in its history. Millions arrived from Germany, Ireland, Italy, Scandinavia, Eastern Europe, and other regions, seeking economic opportunity and freedom. With them came an incredible variety of foods that expanded the nation's culinary landscape far beyond its colonial foundations. Cities such as New York, Chicago, Boston, Philadelphia, and Milwaukee became centers where immigrant food traditions flourished. German immigrants played a major role in shaping urban food culture. Their butcher shops, bakeries, and breweries became community gathering places. Hot dogs, which evolved from German sausages, eventually became one of America's most iconic foods. German immigrants also popularized lager beer, transforming the brewing industry. Companies founded by immigrant families grew into major American brands, spreading German-inspired beverages across the country. Italian immigration dramatically changed American eating habits. Beginning in the late 19th century, millions of Italians settled in urban neighborhoods. They introduced pasta dishes, tomato-based sauces, pizza, cured meats, and a strong emphasis on family meals. Many traditional Italian recipes were adapted to American conditions, often using more meat and larger portions than would have been common in Italy. Over time, Italian-American cuisine developed its own identity. Dishes like spaghetti and meatballs and New York-style pizza became beloved nationwide. Scandinavian immigrants contributed foods suited to cold climates and long winters. Swedish, Norwegian, and Danish settlers brought techniques for preserving fish, making cheeses, and baking specialty breads. Communities throughout the Midwest maintained traditions involving pickled herring lefse and festive holiday pastries. These foods reflected centuries of experience living in Northern Europe and adapting to challenging environments. Eastern European immigrants added another layer of culinary diversity. Jewish immigrants from Poland, Russia, and neighboring regions established delicatessens serving bagels, smoked fish, pastrami, and matzo ball soup. These foods quickly became woven into the fabric of American city life. Meanwhile, Polish immigrants introduced pierogi, kielbasa, and cabbage-based dishes that gained popularity far beyond their communities. Food markets became important centers of immigrant life. Families could find familiar ingredients, speak their native languages, and preserve cultural traditions. At the same time, interactions between different immigrant groups encouraged culinary exchange. Recipes evolved as neighbors shared techniques and ingredients. This process helped create entirely new foods that blended multiple traditions. The late 19th century was also a period of industrial growth. Factories and railroads connected distant regions, making ingredients more accessible than ever before. Immigrant entrepreneurs opened restaurants, bakeries, and food businesses that introduced Americans to unfamiliar flavors. What began as ethnic specialties gradually entered mainstream dining. By the turn of the 20th century, American cuisine was no longer dominated by a handful of European traditions. Instead, it reflected a growing mosaic of cultures, each contributing unique flavors and ideas to the nation's expanding food identity. The early 20th century marked a turning point in the food history of European immigrants in America. As immigrant communities became more established, their cuisines began influencing the broader population. Foods once associated with specific ethnic groups crossed neighborhood boundaries and entered restaurants, cookbooks, and family kitchens throughout the country. This period transformed immigrant dishes into national favorites. Italian-American cuisine experienced remarkable growth. Pizza, initially sold in immigrant neighborhoods, gained wider attention after World War II. Returning soldiers who had encountered Italian food overseas developed a taste for these flavors. Pizza shops spread rapidly across American cities, eventually becoming a cornerstone of the fast food industry. Similarly, pasta dishes moved from ethnic restaurants into mainstream households, supported by mass-produced noodles and canned tomato products. Jewish immigrant food traditions also gained national prominence. Delicatessens became famous destinations where customers enjoyed sandwiches piled high with pastrami or corned beef. Bagels, once largely confined to Jewish communities, gradually became a breakfast staple throughout America. The success of these foods demonstrated how immigrant culinary traditions could move from cultural markers to everyday American habits. Greek immigrants introduced another important chapter in America's food story. Many opened diners and restaurants that became fixtures of local communities. These establishments often served both American classics and Mediterranean-inspired dishes. Foods such as gyros, spinach pies, and Greek salads eventually attracted customers from all backgrounds. Greek restaurateurs helped shape the culture of casual dining that became common across the United States. Meanwhile, Central and Eastern European immigrants continued contributing rich culinary traditions. Hungarian immigrants brought goulash and paprika-based recipes. Czech communities became known for pastries and sausages. Ukrainian and Polish immigrants maintained traditions involving dumplings, breads, and fermented foods. Many of these recipes were adapted to local ingredients while preserving their essential character. The rise of food manufacturing accelerated the spread of immigrant-inspired foods. Companies recognized growing demand for products associated with ethnic cuisines. Canned pasta sauces, packaged sausages, and bakery goods made traditional flavors available to people who had never visited immigrant neighborhoods. While some authenticity was lost during commercialization, these products introduced millions of Americans to new culinary experiences. World War I and World War II created additional challenges and opportunities. Some immigrant groups faced pressure to assimilate, leading families to modify traditional recipes or adopt more Americanized eating habits. Yet food often remained one of the strongest connections to ancestral heritage. Holy day meals, religious celebrations, and family gatherings preserved recipes that might otherwise have disappeared. By the middle of the 20th century, immigrant foods had become deeply integrated into American life. What had once been considered foreign now felt familiar. Pizza, bagels, sausages, pastries, and countless other foods reflected the lasting influence of European newcomers. Their culinary contributions helped transform America into one of the most diverse food cultures in the world, proving that immigration was not only changing society, but also reshaping what people ate every day.